Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I will show you a speedometer module in our Qt car HMI application. In this video, I will show you a navigation module in our Qt car HMI application. So let me run this application first. So you can see this is our navigation map. Here I use the OSM plugins to display this kind of map, and here I define the two location of Mumbai and Prayagraj and display the route between these two location. So you can see this is a path, and between the two location you can see. Okay, and here I add two buttons for zoom in and zoom out, and this is for the stretch default view, and here I add one button for start navigation. So when you click on the start navigation, it will start the route. Here I simulate the navigation view, and this is the starting position. So let me click on the start navigation, and you can see the car icon is running, and based on that location and route, you can see this navigation or route information here, the distance and uh, direction where we have to drive to display the specific navigation or navigation data to user. Okay, also you can apply the zoom in zoom out effect. Also you can see the specific icon is moving on this route. I know this icon is not perfectly moved on the path because of the some limitation here from my side. And here you can see the path accuracy, where I display the specific line of the path, and you can see this is also I handle the where turn occurred on the route. Also you can see. So this is completely based on OSM plugins, and I here also use OSM API to get the path details and display the route on the our map. So you can see this is the complete path on the our route. You can see. So this is our navigation module in our Qt QML application, Qt car HMI application, where you can display the specific path between two routes, two location. And I also complete this application, and I will make a video on one by one each module. Here is first is car main module, where I display this speedometer, and this is the second module where I display the navigation module, and this is the home, music and other menus option. So this is the second menu, navigation module. Okay, so please join our channel, where you can access the premium content like how to make a car HMI application, and how to access the how to learn a advanced module in our Qt QML application, where I'm planning to make a video on it. So please join this channel, and please share this video with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.